Today we're gonna talk about chemistry in medicine.
Well, these actually have a very important role in medicine because with chemistry we can do the antibiotics, we can do all the medicines for treat many diseases and illness.
Chemistry helps in human health and in to do plastics from blood bags and stuff to help the humans.
Yeah, in fact, with chemistry we can do the bioplastics that are used to do the when you don't have a leg or something like that, like a prosthesis.
Yes.
Yeah? And well, actually, that is what chemistry.
The most
can
important
help.
things
Yes.
that with chemistry helps medicine.
Now we're gonna talk about chemistry in food. Well, chemistry it has a role very important in this case because it gives to the food a taste or a color to get it better. For example, are the additives and the colorants.
Some examples are oil, salt, colorants, citric acid, and flavors. Now we're gonna see some images about this topic.
Let's talk about of chemistry in warfare. Well, it had an important role in the biggest war of every time, the Second World War, because with it, the USA government got the creation of the atomic bomb. Also, it was important to create new infections of that time. Next, we are gonna see some pictures of the chemistry in warfare.
Yay! We're gonna talk about chemistry and global warming.
Chemical process in factories, gases such as chlorofluorocarbons, CO2, damage the ozone layer when the sun rays enter to the earth.
Some chemicals that cause global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and CFS, chlorofluorocarbons.
Now we're gonna talk about the three things we can do to prevent the melting of the polar cap threatening the weather of Mexico.
The melting of the polar ice caps is basically a consequence of the global warming. So we can stopping to the contamination.
One thing we can do to prevent it, and I think that is the most important, is to stop burning things, for example, the papers and the trash. The paper that you don't use, you can recycle, and also the trash, you can put it on their place.
Another option we can do is to apply the 3 R's that are recycle, reuse, and reduce.
Also, try to don't use your car a lot. Try to walk or use a bicycle or take the bus.
Okay, I learned that chemistry is related with many topics in the world, not just with one in a specific.
In this project, I learned that we can find chemistry in so many parts, the benefits and the bad things.
I think chemistry is very important in our life because it helps us a lot.
I learned that chemistry isn't only in the small things, also is in the greatest, and everything that we do or use is related to the world, so we have to take care of it.
My conclusion is that chemistry is not only a science, it is part of our world.